Michael from iBOLT, and today I'll be showing you the tripod miniPro with the Bluetooth Selfie Remote. The super flexible legs allow you to bend them and adapt to your environment. Bend around just about anything. Here, a bottle of water. It'll also be useful at, say, a baseball game. Your kid's having a baseball game, you can wrap around the fence and get some cool shots of it. Since it connects to a GoPro adapter, you put on something more intense, like a trampoline pole. On top of the tripod comes a customer favorite miniPro. This minimal mount can hold just about any phone, from the iPhone 5, 6, 6 Plus, to any Android smartphone like the Galaxy S5 or S4. The tripod also comes with a GoPro adapter, making it easier than ever to capture and share your world. The tripod miniPro comes with a 1/4-inch threaded bolt. This is commonly found on DSLR cameras and digital cameras. Here we have the cool selfie button. This Bluetooth remote allows you to take photos or record video remotely. Now you can set your phone up at a good angle from anywhere, making it easy to strike any pose without getting your arm in the shot. It also makes it easy to fit everybody into a group picture. The selfie remote triggers your phone's shutter function. So this concludes our demo of the iBOLT Tripod miniPro, Bluetooth Selfie Remote, and GoPro Adapter. See you next time, and drive intelligently.